So hello everyone, welcome back to Get Trained with San channel, and this is me Shantanu at your service. So today in this video what I'm gonna show you is how you can install Friend Connector Chrome Friend Connector Chrome extension on your Chrome browser, right? So when I'm saying that this is basically a Chrome extension, which means this is actually supported by Google Chrome, and you will get to see this listed in Chrome store, right? So what you need to do first is you need to turn on your PC or laptop, and then what you need to do, you need to open up a browser, a Chrome browser, where you need to search with Friend Connector Chrome extension. So if you open a new tab and search with Friend Connector Chrome extension, you will see a list of items which will be shown as a result. From there you can easily select the first link, which is Friend Connector Pro, and if you select that, you will get to see this button which is saying add to Chrome, right? So other than that, on this page you will be able to see that what are the reviews that are coming from all over the world, from all of all the people who are using this software and how it is actually giving them benefits, right? So you can read them out if you wish. You can also read the privacy policy page, and you can see the video how you can use this software and other screenshots. So now what you need to do next is to install this software, and for that you need to click on this add to Chrome button. And if you click on that, it will show you this particular pop-up which is saying that this particular Chrome extension has access to certain amount of certain list of websites. So which are those are nothing but Facebook links, like facebook.com slash some group name, facebook.com slash some profile name, and this software is going to track those sort of links, and it is gonna modify some of the data of those websites. But you should not be worrying about your data, because your data are safe with you, and Chrome extension like Friend Connector Pro is not storing any sort of your personal information whatsoever in the software or anywhere else, right? So your data is fully secure, and there is no point of view means there is no chance of losing any data by using this software. So what you need to do is you need to click on this add extension, and as soon as you will do so, you will see that this is saying as removed from Chrome, and this pop-up will show and tell you that this extension is now installed on your browser, and you can see the icon in here. But if you close this pop-up, you will see that the icon vanished. So get that icon back, what you need to do, you need to click on this small icon which is saying extensions, and from there you need to find Friend Connector Pro and click and make it pinned. So now as soon as you will make it pinned, it will be staying here and it will not be vanished anymore. So after then, what you need to do is just you need to go to your Facebook profile page or home page, and if you click on this icon, now you will see the login page of the software, which means the Friend Connector Pro extension is now installed properly on your Chrome browser, and it's pretty much ready for you to use. So just check in my next video where I'll be logging into the system, and I'll be telling you that which means what are these actually and how this works, and each and every other features that the software has to offer to you. Okay, so stay tuned and see you in my next video.